Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. Brake fluid is like coffee. Fresh, it wakes you up. Old, it's weak, watery, and nobody wants decaf brakes. Today, we're swapping out the rear brake fluid on the Zontes 310 model. The video has English step-by-step instructions and can be performed on any motorcycle rear brake. It's the same process. Here's what you'll need: D.I.Y brake fluid, a wrench for the bleed nipple, a clear tube with a catch bottle, and something to suck out the old fluid, syringe, turkey baster, whatever works. Gloves and a rag too, because brake fluid loves paint about as much as cats love baths. Reservoirs tucked neatly under the seat, fairing area. Motorbike manufacturers likes to play hide and seek. And before you roll your eyes, let me give you a few reasons why this tiny job makes a massive difference. Reason 1. Safety. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which lowers its boiling point. Hit the brakes hard on a hot day, and instead of stopping, you get vapor lock, basically bubbles in your brake lines. Spoiler: bubbles don't stop bikes. Reason 2. Performance. Fresh fluid keeps your pedal feel firm. Old fluid, it's like stepping on a sponge. And nobody wants marshmallow brakes when they're carving corners. Reason 3. Longevity. Moisture in old fluid corrodes the inside of your caliper and master cylinder. Think of it as rust slowly eating your stopping power. A quick fluid change saves you from expensive repairs later. Reason 4. Confidence. Knowing your brakes are sharp means you ride smoother, faster, and with less paranoia. It's like upgrading your riding playlist from elevator music to heavy metal. Reason 5. It's cheap and easy. A bottle of D.I.Y costs less than a takeaway pizza, and the job takes under 30 minutes. So really, the only excuse left is laziness, and I know you're better than that. If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick. So you're all done. Great job. So let's do a few checks. Press the pedal. Should feel firm, not spongy. Roll the bike gently. Test the rear brake. If it stops smooth, you've nailed it. Congrats. Your motorbike now stops faster than a YouTuber hitting the subscribe button. Speaking of which, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Did your old fluid look more like espresso or swamp water? Either way, your brakes are now brewed fresh.